Hello and welcome to another year of Pyromania, where this year, this will be my fireworks stash. And today, we will be unboxing the Max Assortment. These 3 artillery shells are not part of the Max Assortment, so let's go ahead and pop them open. I bought this assortment at Red Apple Fireworks in Pahrump, Nevada for only $315. As you can tell, it's as tall as me, but these 3 artillery shells are not part of the package. As you may know, there is a similar box called the Gorilla Box for only $300. However, I feel like this is a better package, and we will look right into it. Okay, well, this was a heavy-ass box, about 150 pounds to maybe even 200 pounds. So let's pop this bad boy open and see what's inside. Okay, so here's the entire box. As you can tell, every product is made by brothers. And let's start at the top. So the first thing we have is suspended animation, 25 shots, stop and go, 25 shots, wild card, 49 shots, bling bling, 36 shots, evil enemy, 36 shots, magnificent festival, 25 shots, and we also have the Quest 24 canister shells. They also claim to be the original makers of canister shells. I believe it is 60 grams each shell. And then we have the biggest one here is Midnight, 204 shots. Surprisingly, that is actually like one of the lightest ones. It is not as heavy as you think it is. And then we have Bamboozle, 42 shot. What is this? Light Brigade, 42 shots also. Then there is Grand Slam at 16 shot, Slam Dunk for 16 shots. Alright, let's go down to the 500 grams. You have Hit the Road Jack, 49 shots, Highfalutin, 49 shots, Hydrogen Bomb, 36 shots, Cobalt Bomb, 36 shots, Atom Bomb, 36 shots, and Neutron Bomb, 36 shots. So, quick note about this assortment is that it is actually saving you about $80 if you buy it by the piece. I actually did the calculation and it turns out to be like about $390. So it's around $75 to $80 that you're saving if you were to buy it by piece, which they all have it in store except for about 2 or 3 items, but I was able to make the best estimate. So I would say it's worth it. But if you were actually going to Red Apple in Pahrump, most of the cakes are actually fairly cheap, so you can actually get more 500 gram cakes for the price. Thank you for watching. See you guys next year.